Hey homies, welcome to my channel. We are using a few Fenty Beauty products today and I'm giving you my review. So just keep watching and subscribe below so that we can be homies forever. Thanks pals. How's everybody doing today? Where are you guys watching from? Please comment below. Let me know where you're from. I think it's so fun that we can connect across the world. Just getting ready for this lovely Saturday here in sunny St. George. It's beautiful out today. So I'm starting off, this is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in taupe. I've been using this one for a long time and I love it. I think it is just a great color. It's perfect for me and I think a lot of people. I think it's very versatile. Pick yourself up one of these. They're super cheap, super fabulous. I'm a huge fan. Next I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer. This is, I'm sure if you have watched any sort of makeup video before, you know what this is. It's fabulous. Okay, so I picked up this Fenty Beauty palette. This is the Moroccan Spice Eye Shadow palette. Got it off Sephora. It was on sale for $30. So look at this packaging. So pretty. Hopefully you can see that. And nice. I love that. So pretty. Awesome. It comes in a bunch of awesome shades. I just loved like these blues and greens look so fun. And then a lot of just like good basics. Some nice gold champagne colors. So let's dive right in. What are we going to do with this fun palette? I'm going to start off with OG. I'm going to go in with this one. Who even knows what their names ever are, right? Unless you're right in front of them. But I'm going in with just this brown shade right here. It's a little bit lighter. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and brush that all over my lid. Not patchy. Buffed out really well. Very buildable. It's nice. It doesn't just like come on super intense. Next, I think I'm going to go in with this red color. It's like the only red color in the palette. So I'm going to just tuck this into my crease. Just a tiny bit, just to add a little bit of dimension and another pop of color. I really like, let's see, this palette is missing just like a nice cream shade. So I'm going to dip into my Anastasia Nirvana palette and just buff out my upper lid here. I'm going to start by, I'm just going to take that same brown that I went into first. Anyways, I'm just going to tuck that under my lower lash line. And I'm going to take a bit of the Casablanca, maybe? No. Mirage. I want Mirage. And tuck that into my inner corner. Inner corner highlight is a fabulous way to brighten up the eyes and make it look like you know what you're doing with your makeup, even if you don't really know. I think I'm going to take some of Quicksand, I believe it's called. It's like this salmon-y pink color. And pop it on my lower lash as well. I'm liking this palette. This is a good one. I'm popping it on my upper lash line as well. I'm liking how it's all blending out. I really love Urban Decay eyeshadows, and I like this Anastasia one that I have as well. And I feel like this is doing a great job. So the other thing I grabbed from Sephora was I wanted to try some Fenty Beauty stuff. We've all heard fabulous things about it, probably. So this is the Matchstick Trio. I've heard awesome things about the contour shade. This is the light. I got the light kind, of course, because white girl. And so I got, this is Linen, Amber, and Starstruck. So this trio is just like a highlight and cheek and contour and a concealer trio. But check this out. It's magnetized. Isn't that cool? I thought that was awesome. Packaging is really neat. I don't know why everybody always talks about packaging, because like who really cares? I'm going to throw it away anyway. Finish up my eyebrows. This is just Color Pop Brow Boss Gel. I'm actually so about this. I don't feel like it makes them stay in place super great. This is just the L'Oreal Infallible Long Wear Stick Foundation. It has 27 SPF, which is fabulous. This is Well People Foundation in color Fair. Also has SPF. Really light coverage. Clean Beauty, which is really nice. Especially for a foundation. I appreciate not putting parabens and weird things right on my skin. Okay, now I understand why makeup videos are so long. It's very relaxing to hang out in a room all by yourself doing some makeup. Okay, going in with a second layer on my zits. Tapping it out. Okay, here we go, friends. So this is the highlight. You like concealer shade. Okay. I like the stick. The reviews for this were really fabulous. And a lot of the people even said that they love to just throw on that all three without any foundation. So that sounds fabulous. My skin is not good enough for that at the moment. I have a little bit fuller coverage, but for all you babes who have fabulous skin out there, this could be an awesome thing. Okay, I like that this is really light coverage. That didn't feel overwhelming. If you're new to makeup, this would be a great place to start. I really like how that's looking. Just nice and creamy. It's nicely filling, lightening up that space, but also not highlighting all of my wrinkles, you know, creasing into wrinkles and lines. So that looks good. I'm feeling happy with that. Okay, gonna take a little leftover, brush it on my nose, my chin, a little bit on my forehead. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna go in with Amber. This is the contouring shade. This feels a little scary. Alternatively, you could, I'm sure, just swipe a little bit on your brush and then go in But I've heard this one buffs out really nicely. Which it is definitely buffing out nicely. That looks pretty. I think I like that. I'm gonna go in with my Well People, I love Well People, bronzer on top of that. Which you definitely wouldn't need to. You could just stick with that, but I want a little bit more bronzing effect along with my contour. Now for the highlighter. This looks good. I think I'm going to try dabbing it on my brush first. Or maybe just going in like this. Okay, did that even do anything? Can't tell. Okay, so highlighter on, and now I'm going to go in with blush. This is just Burt's Bees blush. I don't know what color it is. Kind of coral. I think putting on blush after your highlighter can give you a nice, more natural look. Doesn't make your highlighter look quite so stroby. And just going in with a sponge blender just to give myself some more blending. Blend, 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 people. Going in with a little bit of lipstick. This is a random one from the drugstore. And going in with Honest mascara. This is just their mascara. Comes with a little primer. Here's my finished look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've used these same Fenty products. This is my first time, like I said, so let me know how they hold up.